For this video, I headed up to Atlanta, Georgia, so I could drop in on the Marietta Museum of History. Looks like I took another adventure in the state of Georgia. Georgia's got a lot of cool little museums and attractions, and this is another example of one. I was already in the area. Marietta is kind of a small suburb of Atlanta. There's a lot of neat things to do here on the Marietta Square. I did produce a video earlier that detailed the different activities available on Marietta Square itself, and this is just a couple blocks west of Marietta Square. This is the Marietta Museum of History, and it basically focuses on all the historical events that took place here in Atlanta, Georgia. You'll notice that from the video that there's a lot of different topics of the exhibits. They cover transportation, railroad, streetcars, the different world wars, classic heirlooms and antiques from household activities in the 1940s and 50s and those type of things. So it's kind of a random collection of antiques for the most part. They've got a exhibit, an entire room actually dedicated to the Great Locomotive Chase, which took place here, and that was basically a battle that took place during the Civil War. And there was basically an effort to sabotage some locomotives and all kinds of stuff. There's a movie about that if you really want to get into more details on what the Great Locomotive Chase was all about. I'm not going to try to get into it because I've only got about 4 minutes to talk about this whole place. So what's the bottom line on this particular museum? Well, you can see from the video, it's not the most exciting place to go. I think that it'd be kind of challenging to bring small children here because they'd probably be bored out of their mind. There's really nothing interactive. It's just basically antiques and displays that are all more or less static. The cost is reasonable. I mean, I think I spent about $8 or $9 to get in, and I feel like that's a fair price. Do I think this museum is good enough to justify driving to it by itself? No, but there is a lot of other activities you can do here in Marietta. They've got great shopping and a lot of great restaurants nearby, and there's 5 other museums also nearby. And that's pretty much the same bottom line that I gave to the Marietta Fire Museum. I didn't think it was a museum, good enough to make a drive by itself, but because of all the nearby museums, that's when I think this place would be worth it. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.